Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $200 per day on Google for free. And it's super simple. Let's get right into it. Okay, before I get started, disclaimer: this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This does require work. Yes, it's simple, but it does require work. And another thing, I just want to tell you guys: you're not required to call anyone or anything like that. Okay, or meet the person in real life. Just so you guys know. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is you want to head over to Google Maps. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to search. Go back. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to search a job. Okay, you want to search a job, for example, plumbing. So you want to type in plumbing or plumber, or you want to type in something like dentistry or a personal trainer. And what you guys want to do is you want to go to their page, and then you find them and through here, and you want to click on say, for example, let's see, this page, right? And then you go to their website, you hit that button, and it will take you to their website. So this is their website. Again, see, if I were you guys, I'd also offer them a website, because I can definitely make a better website than this. But again, that's a bit more advanced. So maybe in the future I'll create a video on that. So what you want to do is you want to set up again. So you go to their page. Look, they don't even have they're not taking any emails. That's a problem. So what you want to do is you want to set up an opt-in page for them. You want to set up a funnel for them. Okay. So why do you want to set up a funnel? That's the thing, right? Why should you set up a funnel, and how can you make money through this? So let's say they have their website, right? And they're getting traffic onto that website. Now, here's the thing. A lot of times, people watch this, right? Let's say they're a great plumbing service, huh? And once they land on it, and then they just leave, just click off. Okay, so so they might be interested, okay, but not at that time. So later on, they just clicked off and they don't remember you. Okay, so they might go with someone else. Okay, so what you want to do instead is they have their website, right? And they're getting people on their website already, I'm assuming. And then what you want to do is you want to set up an opt-in page which takes in their email, name and email, and and then like a button, call to action. And so this way, what happens is you're taking their email and then you're sending them emails. So what this does is, so essentially that's a funnel. Okay, so this way you can the business can start getting money this way. Okay, here's how. I will show you how. So let's say the person clicks off. Okay, they click off. What you do is you send them emails. Okay, you send them emails with something like a free discount, like a 5% discount. Okay, so they'll be more likely to come to the page and call and buy their service or whatever. Okay, then you could send out more emails like that. Okay, more discounts, more free offers, whatnot. Okay, so how do you set up a funnel like this? Okay, so again, you guys can make a lot of money through doing this, but let me show you guys. So this is a software called Clickfunnels. It's by Russell Brunson. This is our software agencies use. This is a software which many companies use, and it's super simple. And you could create a funnel within minutes. Okay, within minutes. So here's a quick funnel I've set up. It took like what? It took like 1 or 2 minutes to set this up. Okay, so what you just do is you can upload your logo. You can upload their logo first of all, or you can just delete this. A lot of the times, what you guys can do is, oh crap, just undo that right there. So just there we go. Okay, so you guys can set up a page like this. Make it say get free. So what you guys do is just head over to ClickFunnels. I'll leave the link in the description for a 14-day trial, and so you sign up, okay, and then you go to ClickFunnels and hit build funnel, and it will take you to this page, right? And this has a lot of different templates. It takes like seconds to build amazing funnels, okay, and you just show these funnels. Not these. You set up a funnel real quick. Okay, really quick. You're not even spending a lot of time, and you're showing it to these your customers. Okay, your clients essentially, and what they'll see it, and then they'll be pretty impressed, because again, some of these look even better. Okay, but I know the reason why I use this is because it's super high converting. Okay, because it's super simple, and the headlines right there, and it's just, this is something I like to use even for like affiliate marketing. Okay, anyway, so you just set it up. Okay, guys, this is not hard to set up. They even have videos on how to set up. They have like help and everything. Okay, yeah. So after you do that, okay, after you create your funnel, what you want to do is you want to head over, and then you want to head over to this page. You want to head over to the website, and what you guys can do is let's see, this page, does it have an email? Again, so again, see, these guys don't have an email. That's a that contact. They don't have, again. This would be the perfect client to set up their funnels, to set up their website, set up their social media marketing, and that way, again, guys, you're actually providing them value here. Okay, so they're actually gonna be making money. So what you guys can do is you can charge $100 or $200 at the start, and get a couple of customers in, and then you could start increasing the price. Okay, so something like this. So what you want to do is you want to offer them something like this. You want to create something better. Okay, don't create something like this. It took me like a few seconds. At least put in some time. Put in some effort. Create a page. Show it to them. Okay, and then show them. Give them a little trial, and then you guys can be like, hey, if you like this service, you guys can I charge $100 or $200 per month to run your entire funnel. Create a funnel and run it. Okay, and you're bringing them more leads, clients, and whatnot, and you're getting money in return. So this way, if you have a couple of clients, you can easily make $100 or $200 per day doing this. Okay, now once you get experience, right, once you get more and more clients, you can start charging higher. But what you guys can do is you can actually learn these skills. I'll probably make them in the future. So what you guys can, Clickfunnels is a great funnel program, but you can also create websites with this. It's not ideal, but again, you can. So what you guys want to do, you want to create a website. You can definitely do a better job than this. Okay, this is not that great. So what you do is you create the website. So that's web design. That's one thing. Okay, you can definitely charge $1,000. People are charging like, I know agencies which are charging $40,000 per website alone. Okay, so you charging $1,000 is actually pretty cheap. But make sure it's quality, guys. Okay, so this is more advanced. So this is later on, once you start making you start making money with the method I just showed you. So you can make them a website. Then you could charge them for SEO services monthly. This is something you will need to learn. Obviously, it's not hard, but it does take It does take some time. So it will take like 3-4 months to learn. Again, you could charge them $1,000 per month. This is per month. You could also charge them for managing their social media. Again, $1,000 again per month. So that's, and then you're running their lead magnet or whatever. Let's say you're charging $200 per month. Again, guys, look at this. From one client, you got around $3,200 per month, and they're making $2,200 each month after that. Okay, so imagine if you had like 5 different clients, you're already making 6 figures, guys. So this is something you definitely need to look at. This is much more advanced, but this is something much more simpler. So what you do, you just go to just type into job, plumbing, dentistry, something like that. Then you want to go through all these. Yes, it does require work. You need to go through a lot of them, and then you reach out to them, to their email, saying, hey, I noticed that your website doesn't have a opt-in page, a lead, squeeze page, and because of that, you're actually missing out on a lot of customers, repeat customers. Okay, so you're losing out on a lot of sales. And just form a nice. Now, okay, this took me like 2 seconds to come up with that email. Okay, you want to write in something more. You want to provide them more insight into how it could benefit the business. So it could benefit their business through, they're getting leads and they could keep making money because after that they have a funnel set up to keep getting more and more customers to their page, and those customers buy again because they're provided with a discount, and it just keeps repeating itself. Okay, guys? So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification after you subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.